And welcome back to the channel. I'm Daniel Martin, as most of you know, and this is my wife Denise Martin. She does a lot of behind the scenes. She does a lot of posing. You've seen her in a lot of places, and a lot of times she's the one running the camera behind the scenes. She also does makeup and a million other things. So thank you, Denise. So we're doing our giveaway today. We have the SmallRig RF10C, which is a LED light. Opened it wrong. Looks like a flashlight. Got your charger here, quarter 20 here to plug in. You can do all your colors, yellow, blue, whatever, white. And then you've got one of these that holds an adapter on the end, so you can shape the color of the light that you want. It's very cool, especially if you want to put it behind your subject. For a backlight, like if I wanted to backlight Denise, I'd just put it behind her with a black background and put a red gel on top, or turn it red, I mean, and the background will go red. Or you can use it for any kind of lighting that you want to. So we only had a few people sign up. I guess everybody these days is afraid they're going to get scammed, but I promise this is not a scam. This is just from us. We're not going to put you on any crazy emailing list. We only had 2 people sign up. So I put it in multiple places. I did a couple of videos on YouTube. I mentioned it. One YouTube dedicated to it. Put some on some other social media. So we've got 2 names in the bag, and I'm going to reach in there and grab one and read the winner. So I would say shake it up, but there ain't much to shake. So let's see. Our winner is D-A-W-N-A-R-I-Z-E-N, Donarizen, I guess is how you pronounce that. So you are the winner of the SmallRig FL10C. I will contact you in just a few minutes, get your address, and we'll ship this out to you because shipping's paid also. No cost to you guys. Have a Merry Christmas. We hope you enjoy this. And we're looking forward to next year. We have a lot of things coming up next year, so it's going to be a fun and exciting year. We still have tons of stuff piled up right now from affiliates that we haven't got to. So, anything you want to say?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Your lights aren't on.
No, they're dead.
They're dead. You can make a donation to us, and we'll get a battery for her little Christmas lights.
Battery.
All right, guys, we appreciate it. Thanks for watching our channel. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and congratulations. I think I'm saying it right.
Donna Risen, maybe.
Maybe it is Donna Risen.
Okay.
I'm not sure, but you'll get an email from me in just a few minutes. I'll contact you. We'll go from there. Congratulations on your SmallRig. There you go, guys. Happy holidays. Have a good one. Bye-bye.